My dearest brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a very special mango, peach, grape ice cream cake. I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, coming to you from downtown Berkeley, a center of innovation and creativity, home of one of the world's greatest universities. There are more Nobel Prize winners here than at any other school. Even in the parking lot, there's a space reserved in the parking lot that says Nobel Prize winners only. For that space, if you can relate to that. So, let us be started, and let's get started, and let's create the base of our ice cream. We have, and the base will be some bananas, organic of course, and to that we're going to be adding some avocado, and what about some mango? Okay, let's blend it all together. And now we have these beautiful California peaches, the new crop, just harvested. We are so blessed to be here indeed, grown in the great Central Valley, once an inland sea. It abounds in fertile soil. So we have our peaches. And let's give this a blend. And now these beautiful California red grapes, just harvested. And now, let's be ecstatic with our California Alive Organic Almond Butter, the pillar of our business. Let's give it a heaping tablespoon or so. And what about some California walnut butter, live and organic, made from California grown walnuts, grown in the incomparable Central Valley, but of course. And now our Milk of Paradise. Milk of Paradise consists of cashew and macadamia butter. And now, for sweetness, we have our medjool dates, some chopped medjool dates grown here in California, the wonders of California agriculture, indeed. Peaches, medjool dates, nectarines, apricots, avocados, nothing like it in all. And California supplies all of the vegetables for the whole of the United States during the winter time. So we have our chopped mangoes, and to this we're going to be adding some. We are privileged to add some local honey, California honey, but of course. Maple syrup. Cinnamon. A bit of nutmeg. A bit of vanilla. And of course, to heighten and elicit the flavors, a pinch of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt, and what about half of a lemon? And now let's top it off with some of our living tree alive organic walnuts grown in the alluvial soil of the Great Central Valley. So let's chop up some walnuts and let's add some pecans. These pecans are from Texas. All products of family farmers, I might add. We're so very proud and privileged to support them. So let's sprinkle our chopped nuts over the ice cream. And let's top it off with some mango chunks. So here, my dearest of friends, you have it, a mango peach grape ice cream cake, alive, organic, and raw. Our privilege to share. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and criticisms are treasured by us. My privilege to share. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters. Let us wax ecstatic. We've got to follow we've got to bring on the 4 R's. The 4 R's. Renewal, recreation, regeneration, and redemption. Let us go forward. We've got to recreate, rebuild, and regenerate this great country. The times call for it. Let us stream, alive, organic, and ecstatic. That is the word, my privilege to share.